Excuse me. Okay, you ready? Okay, good afternoon from Lance's Trailer Sales in beautiful Athens, Ohio, 740-592-8000, lancestrailersales.com. This is dump trailer number, is it 5? Number 5 in our series of about 7 or 8. This is, again, the model 46ED Diamond C 2018, 6.5'x12, high boy option. So the standard trailer has the 18-inch sides. Pan over there, Kayla, show them 18-inch sides. This is the optional 32-inch side, 32 inches of height inside. This is the one that we sell to contractors, landscapers, landlords. Just gives you much more carrying capacity. Remember that we have the same 9,098.90 is the gross vehicle weight rating. The trailer weighs somewhere in the high 2s. So you've got about 7,500 pounds of carrying capacity on this trailer. We still have the same 6-lug 15-inch 225 75/15 radial 8-ply tires. Inside our box, remember that we have the Series 27 deep cycle marine battery. Let's open that up, Kayla, show that. Series 27 deep cycle marine, a 5-amp onboard trickle charger, 14-foot corded remote, locking toolbox, the handle for the factory installed tarp, and the throw rope. The 15,000 pound capacity 2 5/16 adjustable coupler, 15,000 pound sidewind adjustable sleeve jack. Inside the bed we have 4 D-rings for tying down equipment. You can put skid steers, mini excavators in here, no problem. About 7,500 pounds of capacity. Remember that we have the triple action rear gate. It folds down like a pickup truck, it folds out like a barn, and it spreads stone. Triple action. Underneath me are the 60-inch or 5-foot box tube construction slide-in ramps for loading the equipment. Diamond C, high quality PPG automotive primer and paint. Stake pockets around the bed. 2-piece bed design. Diamond plate heavy gauge fenders. Spare tire mount mounted on the side. We keep these in stock. We've always got 3 or 4 of these here. We get them in red, black, or gray. This is our 46ED 12 by 77 inches, just shy of 6.5 feet. And we sell this for $65.95, 6,595 American dollars, plus tax if applicable. Here in stock at Lance's Trailer Sales, lancestrailersales.com, 740-592-8000. Pick up the phone and give us a call.